Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mostly beauty videos, a little bit of fashion, as well as lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today we're going to be playing in makeup. I'm going to show you guys a couple of blushes. Now these blushes have been going viral all over the internet, and it's the new Dior Rosy Glow blushes. Now this formula has been out for like a couple years now, but they've recently launched 4 new colors. The first color being mahogany. The next color is berry, which is described as a plum color. And the 2 that I ended up picking up is a rosewood and cherry. These were the 2 that I felt like I didn't really have anything alike in my collection. I'm already a fan of the Rosy Glow blushes. I do own the original pink color, which is so beautiful for that soft, beautiful pink. A lot of people felt like it wouldn't really work for African American skin tones because it's on the lighter spectrum and sort of a cool pink tone. It's this one here, but it's absolutely gorgeous on the skin, even darker skin like mine. It's just a really beautiful color. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you've probably seen me use this before on several occasions. So rosewood is definitely like a dusty rose color. I'm sort of turning it down so you guys can see the true color of it. And then cherry is like a orange shade. So let's see if we can. So this one's cherry, which is an orangey shade. And this one's rosewood, which is like a true dusty rose. Comment down below if you've tried these already and which shade did you get. One of the things that I can truly appreciate about the Rosy Glow blushes is that they're not super pigmented, so you don't have to worry about applying too much. A lot of blushes now are jammed packed full of bold color and you just barely tap into it and it can sort of take over the look. So I like that this one is pretty much buildable. So let's take rosewood. So this is what I would consider like one layer, and you could definitely build more color. So for me, this is like just an everyday natural color for any occasion, perfect for the office. So I'm going to take the other end of the brush and go in with cherry. This is the orange shade. So cherry is definitely a little bit more pigmented than rosewood, more of like a bold orangey reddish, almost like a tomato color. So rosewood, cherry. The formulas have a light sheen to it, nothing too crazy. I wouldn't say it's a straight up satiny formula. A light sheen to it that gives it a bit of a glow, but a minimal type glow. Every brand has really been pumping out a lot of blushes, whether it be a liquid, cream, or powder formula. Comment down below and let me know which brand of blushes you've really been digging lately and which ones do you think I should try. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.